Hey, welcome back to Danish Tube. This is another random phrases video. This time we're going to use the verb at tage, to take. Here we go. Danish Tube. So in the last one we had at afsted, and we can replace comma with tage, which basically means the same. Like a comma still is like let's get going, and tage still is kind of the same, but like to leave basically. I could say jeg tager afsted. Jeg tager afsted nu. Hej hej. I'm off. Gotta go. Ciao. Next one is at tage kontakt til. At tage kontakt til, which is kind of like get in touch with when you maybe, I don't know, send an email to somebody for the first time, or they send one to you. You might say tak fordi du tager kontakt til mig. Tak fordi du tager kontakt til mig. And the next one, number 3, I'm going to try to keep a record of them. At tage tøj på, or tage tøj af. So to take on clothes or to take them off. To get dressed or undressed. At tage tøj på. Jeg tager tøj på. Jeg tager tøj af. The next one is kind of fun because it's called at tage ja-hatten på. At tage ja-hatten på. To put on the yes hat. Basically means to go along with stuff, to say yes to stuff, be the yes man. Du skal tage ja-hatten på. Du skal tage ja-hatten på. Next one, number 4, at tage til, or tage til. Very simply, to take time. Simple example, det tager til. Det tager til. Takes time. Det tager til jo. Det tager jo til. Nummer 5, at tage telefonen. At tage telefonen. To take the telephone means to pick up, to answer. At tage telefonen. Han tager ikke sin telefon. Han tager ikke sin telefon. Okay, 2 here, we could say at tage ind til byen, or at tage ud i byen. At tage til byen kind of means like to go to the city, like maybe, sorry, at tage ind til byen kind of means like you're gonna go to the city and maybe buy some stuff. Whereas at tage ud i byen kind of sounds like you're going out drinking. So, jeg tager ind til byen, jeg tager ud i byen. You can say both, depends what you're doing. At tage for givet. At tage for givet means to take for granted. I don't know, you could say du tager mig for givet. Du tager mig for givet. You take me for granted. Or man skal ikke tage livet for givet. Man skal ikke tage livet for givet. One shouldn't take life for granted. Nice! That was a bunch of phrases all using the verb at tage. To take. Go out and use them. Tage afsted. Go out and use these Danish phrases. Vi ses i den næste video. Hej hej. Danish Tube.